How should you choose a criminal defense lawyer in Cobb County? My name is Benjamin von Schuch. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Cobb County, Georgia. How should you choose a criminal defense lawyer in Cobb County? Well, the first thing to do is to make sure that you've hired a former prosecutor. Prosecutors handle the majority of the cases. They have most of the trial experience. So you want to make sure that you're hiring somebody who has that experience, that depth of knowledge, and that understands the other side and where they're coming from. So you want to make sure you're hiring a former prosecutor. You also want to hire somebody who has recognition in their field. And there are several different awards and recognitions that people can get. What I suggest is looking for somebody who has either been recognized as a super lawyer or has a very high AVO ranking. I suggest looking for somebody that has an AVO ranking of over 9 out of 10 or a superb ranking. You also want to find somebody who's a member or dedicated to criminal defense, and that would be somebody that's a member of the Georgia Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers or even the National Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers. Now, it can be especially difficult to find a good criminal defense lawyer in Cobb County. The reason being is that there are many more really bad lawyers because there's not a public defender's office. The cases are appointed to private lawyers. So a lot of these private lawyers that you're paying for are public defenders. So you're getting lawyers that are overburdened and have tons of cases where they can't really focus and do a good job on your case. So whenever you're hiring a criminal defense lawyer in Cobb County, you have to be very careful not to hire one of these lawyers that takes appointed cases. They're simply not going to have the time to spend on your case. And why would you hire a lawyer that's free anyways? They are free. All you got to do is go through the public defender system and you'll be appointed to that lawyer. My name is Benjamin von Schuch. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Cobb County. If you have any questions about your case, you can go ahead and check out my website or you can give me a call.